Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 I want to show you. This bike is, the paint is Kawasaki's titanium color. It's sort of a silver metallic. It's not really, I don't think it's a denim, but it's not really a high gloss paint either. It looks really nice. Notice it's got a little scar over here on the front fender. White sidewall tires, good rubber, wire spoke rims, liquid cooled 900cc V-twin with a 5-speed. Headlight hood here, handlebar mounted windshield, upgraded hand grips. It's a softail bike set up for 2-up riding, belt drive. Good tire on the rear as well. It's an upgraded exhaust. I'm not real sure what the brand name is. It's got a nice sound to it though. I just got through riding and it rides really nice. Shifts good. It's got good miles on it too. 3,202 miles. Got some indicator lights down here, fuel gauge. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Pops right off, no issues with that. We ran it through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. Rear disc brake. The 2007 model qualifies for some really good financing and extended warranties too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.